Welcome. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to use the HP Laserjet M1005 MFP printer. This is multi-functional printer, scanner, copier. First, what you have to do, you have to buy a new cartridge, then you have to push this and lift up, insert a new cartridge into this, or otherwise if you are having a old cartridge, insert this, then close this. Then you have to connect your printer through power cable and USB cable, right? Or that, this is the paper tray. In this paper tray, keep the paper. At least you can maximum you can keep the paper 100 or more than 100, 150 also you can keep. Better keep 100 papers. That is well and good, right? Then you have to switch on the printer. After making the switch on the printer, you will feel some sound, right? Then here you will be getting a ready option. Here you will be getting a ready option. This is a little bit old printer, so the display is so dull. But here, yeah, right? See, here you can give printout through your laptop or your desktop. To take a Xerox, these are all the options available. This is to take a Xerox button, right? If you press this button, you will take one copy of Xerox. If you want to take a number of copies, more than one copy, press this copy button, press this up arrow. This is right arrow denotes up. One time means 2, 3, 4, 5. Then press OK. Now this printer is giving you 5 copies. If you keep the source copy over here. If you keep the source copy over here, then close this. Then come to this, press the copy and press the up arrow. First if you press up arrow means 2, 3, 4, 5. Then press OK. Wait a little moment. Then press this start button. If you get 5 copies. If you get 5 copies, right? Then if you cancel all the existing option, simply press this cancel option, right? If you want to take some Aadhaar, PAN card or voter ID, these ID and all having dark photos. If you want to take light ID cards, print out Xerox means, see this is here you will be having option light and dark. So press this button, use this down arrow, that is left arrow, 1, 2, 3. Then press OK. You will get a light. You will get a light. Okay. That is normal, light and dark. So if you want to have a dark printout, but dark Xerox, simply cancel the existing setup settings. Then go to the lighter and dark button. Then increase the dark and light. So if you increase the dark and dark means you have to press this button. Then press OK. Then press OK. Meanwhile, if you want to take more than one copy means press this copy, increase the copy. That is one time if you press means 2, 3, 4, 5. So now after pressing 5, press OK. Now you have set up your copier. You need to increase the brightness to 3 points and also you have set up 5 copies. Now if you press this button, you will get 5 copies with darker. And more settings if you want to make means press this button, you will get a more settings. This display will indicate everything. Based on the display, you can set the more settings. More settings means paper settings. That is the LED screen, dark and bright settings, and other settings you can do. Right? This is the way to use this M1005 MFP printer. See, to take Xerox number of copies, you have to use this copies button. Light and darker means you have to use this button. More settings to set the paper, that is A4, A5 and letter paper. See, once if you set the settings, if you want to bring back, you have to press this cancel button. If you press this cancel button, you'll get a excuse me, you'll get a normal, that is default settings, normal or default settings. If you want to take one test page, what you have to do, see, just you have to press menu button and right button and menu button and once again menu button, you will get a test page. You will get a test page. I will give you a test page. See here. I am going to see here. Yeah, this is the test page. I got. This is the test page. Without giving the printout or Xerox, what you have to do? See here. First menu button, then right button, one time, then menu button, then once again a menu button, you will get a test page. This is the test page you will get. This is the way to use the printer. You can give the printout through your laptop or desktop, right? But this is not a Wi-Fi printer. This is USB printer only. This is USB printer only. This is, I have declared already in my shorts, this is the best copier machine for initial Xerox shop. Initial Xerox shop. If you want to have one small Xerox shop, this printer is completely enough. See, keeping this printer, you can do your business well and good and very nicely. Every day you are taking some money, some small amount of money and keep into somewhere else. That money will come a big amount. Using that amount, you can buy a very big machines supporting A3, legal and A4, ID, everything, right? This is the way to use this printer. This is the very best printer. This is the very best printer and copier and scanner. Copier and scanner. Have a nice day. Welcome.